Why is the pinned comment option not showing on TikTok? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin comments on TikTok. So if you want to get the pin option on TikTok, watch this video until the end. And if this video helps you, please subscribe. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you do that, go ahead and open your profile page and select the video that you want to pin a comment on. Once you find that video, open the comment section and you can see that there is only one comment over here. Tap and hold onto this comment and you should see the pin option. As my TikTok profile is private, the pin option is not available, but if your account is public, you can go ahead and pin any comment on your TikTok profile. So however, some people have this feature and others don't. If you don't have it, don't worry. Go back and report this problem to TikTok and they will help you resolve the issue. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.